Hello students, let us discuss today about the hydrocarbon family. Hydrocarbon. Now what is hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon molecules or organic molecules are the molecules which are formed by carbon and hydrogen. So it is very easy to remember the definition of hydrocarbon molecules. Hydrocarbon molecules are the molecules which are formed by carbon and hydrogen. So this hydrocarbon family is very large. That one already have understood from the versatile nature of carbon, because large number of molecules are possible because of catenation and tetravalency. Now hydrocarbon are mainly two types. Hydrocarbon are mainly two types. Saturated and another one is unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. In saturated hydrocarbon, all carbon atoms are joined with each other by single bond, like this. All hydrocarbons are joined with each other by single bond. Suppose this is one hydrocarbon. In this hydrocarbon, all carbon atoms are joined with each other by single bond. You see the bond between the two carbon in all, they are joined with each other by single bond. Then we call it saturated hydrocarbon. Now unsaturated hydrocarbon are of two types. One is, we call it alkene, and next one is alkyne. Alkene, spelling you see, spelling is very important. A-L-K-E-N-E, alkene. In this type of unsaturated hydrocarbon, this is the same. Double bond is there in the middle of the same. A double bond is there in the middle of the same. So you see, this is alkene. This one is the example of alkene, where in between these two carbon a double bond is there. So this is unsaturated hydrocarbon alkene. And saturated hydrocarbon are called alkane. A-L-K-A-N-E. Spelling is very important. A-L-K-A-N-E, alkane. Here alkene, E-N-E. Now unsaturated hydrocarbon alkyne, I am showing you here. Unsaturated hydrocarbon alkyne. This is the example I am giving you. Carbon, 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 carbon. I am giving a triple bond here between these two carbon. So hydrogen will be in this carbon. In this carbon there will be no hydrogen because all valencies are satisfied. Here also no carbon, no hydrogen because all the four valencies are satisfied by joining with the carbon only. And see this structure. See this one. In this same, between these two carbon atoms, the triple bond is there. So this type of unsaturated hydrocarbon are called alkyne. A-L-K-Y-N-E. Spelling is very important. You see. So this is alkane, saturated hydrocarbon, A-L-K-A-N-E. This is alkene, unsaturated, A-L-K-E-N-E. So this is the example where at least two carbon atoms should be joined with each other by double bond. And this one is unsaturated alkyne. It is called alkyne, where at least two carbon atoms should be joined with each other by triple bond. So this is alkyne. So in this way, hydrocarbon mainly are two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbon are called alkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon, if double bond is there, we call it alkene. If triple bond is there, we call it alkyne. So from this one, this only the family of hydrocarbon, the members of hydrocarbon starts, means it increases. So let me show you the hydrocarbon alkane. You see the hydrocarbon alkane, A-L-K-A-N-E. I have to find out the members of this family. This is one family of one of the means hydrocarbon. If you have to find out the member, each and every members of alkane, we have a general formula, that is CnH2n plus 2. N means carbon number. N meaning is number of carbon. If you put n equal to 1, you will get how much 2. If n equal to 1, 2 will be hydrogen value will be 2 into 1 plus 2. So how much it will be? CH4. So this one is the first or simplest alkane. It's the simplest alkane. Its name is methane. Its name is methane. So in this way we can find out the members. If you put the value 2, then you will get the second member of the alkane. Similar to that way, alkene. For the alkene also, ALKENE, alkene. For the alkene, this is the general formula for alkane. I told you already. General formula for alkene is CnH2n. N is the carbon number. If you put n equal to n value, but alkene starts from 2, n value 2, not from 1. That one I will tell you why not from 1. So alkene starts from n value 2. First alkene means simplest alkene. So if you put value 1 here, 2, C2, then H2 into 2. So what you will get? C2H4. So C2H4, its name is ethene. Ethene is the simplest alkene. So this is the general formula. You remember from the general formula you can find out all the members of alkene family, all the members of alkane family. But remember, alkane starts from one carbon atom, which n equal to 1. If n equal to 1, but alkene starts from n equal to 2, C value 2, not with the 1, because the reason I want to tell you, the reason is that alkene means it is unsaturated double bond. So for double bond, at least 2 carbon atom you need in, at least 2 carbon atoms are required to show the double bond between the 2 carbon atom. So if only 1 carbon atom is there in alkene, then how will you show the bonding? Alkene means double bond is there in between the 2 carbon atoms. So minimum 2 carbons should be there in the alkene family. First member, so starts with n equal to 2, so it is ethene. So similar to that way, I will show you the alkyne also, the third member, alkyne. You see alkyne, ALKYNE, alkyne. So in case of alkyne, its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. In case of the alkyne also same thing happen. N value starts from 2, not from 1, because alkyne means triple bond. So minimum 2 carbons should be there to show the triple bond. So if you put the n equal to 2 here in the general formula, this is the general formula. So what you will get? C2H 2 into 2 minus 2. What you will get? C2H2. So this is the simplest molecule of alkyne. Its name is ethyne. ETHYNE, ethyne. Its name is ethyne. So simplest alkane is methane, simplest alkene is ethene, and simplest alkyne is ethyne. So next step is to how to give this name. Why its name is ethyne, why its name is ethene. That one is very important. It is the nomenclature of hydrocarbon, means how to give the name to the hydrocarbon. That part is very important. That one I will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.